Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to unbox and review the Lincoln Electric Mig Pack 140 welder with the bonus pack. Let's get into the bonus pack here. The first thing inside the box here, some Lincoln Electric welding gloves. So they're fairly good quality. A chipping hammer, which is also really nice. A multi-purpose magnet. Looks fairly good quality as well. Some flux cord wire, so if you want to weld without gas. Some MIG wire, so you can weld with gas. Anything else inside the box here? Let's see. Oh, a soapstone holder. And some extra refills. A really nice bonus pack. Let's get into the welder itself here. Lots of padding inside the box here. The first thing you see is the instruction manual with a Learn to Weld CD. The regulator, so you can put gas to it. Very nice that they come with that. Let's see what else is in here. Some extra cables here. You get another roll of wire, so you can use with gas. And another roll of wire you can use without gas. Very nice. And there is the handle piece. Looks fairly good quality. The clamp for the ground. Some extra tips and nozzle. Now it looks like all the accessories inside the box. And you get the welder itself. It has a little door on the side. This looks like the attachment, so you can put a bigger roll of wire on. Some more instructions. Can't really see there. Let's see if I can get the camera up here. You really can't see. But on top of here, there's a gauge, so you know what size wire you can use and what your specs have to be at for different types of metal. overall, it's a very nice welder. If somebody wants to use gas and also use without gas, this would be a good starter one. It's fully adjustable with heat and wire feed. So yeah, overall, I think it's a very good welder. I would recommend this to anybody who wants to get into welding. If you like what you've seen, please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.